All right, here we go. Extra 5, Physics, Week 1. Just a quick note, if you have not finished Week 4, or sorry, Hexter 4, if you did not get a passing grade in that, you can still make it up this Hexter. So don't despair. You can get those assignments turned in, get enough credit for passing grade if you did not pass. But now we're moving on to Hexter 5, Week 1, and let's start here. There's a discussion post. Remember, they're graded, so make sure that you at least click on that, answer your post, do the best you can, get some points going. All right, then there is a extra long, which means you have 6 weeks to complete this, a wave vocabulary assignment. And by now you know teaching vocabulary is something that's crucial in science. And attached is your list for this Hexter. And the way you are successful is by not waiting until week 6 to try to do it. Then it becomes a 2 to 3 hour project and you're freaking out. Spend 30 minutes a week or so. Tops. Do at least 15 words per week. And hey, why not get started as soon as this video's over? There's 92 words. You jot down 30 to 40. Just terms and definitions. Just copy them. Use 30 in a sentence that show you know the meaning of the words. And you can finish up the assignment by doing a diagram or illustration on the remaining words. If you're super creative and you want to write a short science fiction story with 30 of the words, feel free to do that too. But I've posted the words right here in week 1, so you'll always know where they are. All right. So, like I say, don't wait till week 5 or 6 to get started on that. Next assignment is a pulse rate and frequency chart you're going to fill in. And that's just to kind of get you used to some of the terminology, frequency, and that sort of thing that comes up with waves. There is an attached chart to it, and I'll open that up now. Oops. Okay. Oops, that's the wrong one. Let's go back. All right, there it is. This tells you how to take a pulse, and then there's a little assignment attached, a little chart you can fill in right there. And that'll get you started with some wave activities. There are waves right in our bodies, okay? And that is the blood coursing through your veins. All right, now we have, after that activity, short reading on waves, okay? It's very well organized. Talks about transverse, which go up and down, and longitudinal, which go side to side. There's a short quiz about it right here. Then there's a pretty fascinating video. I think there's a couple of video links on there for you to look at the Tacoma's Bridge in Washington that wound up. This was probably 60 years ago, 70 years ago that they built this bridge. And if you watch the video, you'll see the power of waves. And you'll actually see some of the frequencies and that sort of thing, just to give you an idea of what we're going to be spending a good portion of time on. Here is a compression wave. Compression waves, or longitudinal is another word for them. They go back and forth, okay? Transverse waves are perpendicular, and these are some of the terminology that you'll be getting to know. The wavelength is the distance between two crests. Okay, here to here. Crest is the top part of the wave. The amplitude is from the resting point to the top of the wave. That measures the power and velocity of a wave. The node, or nodal point, you'll hear that in the video, is a resting point, kind of a midpoint in a wave. And the trough is the bottom part of a wave, okay? The bottom highest part of the wave. We'll be referring to this these pages quite a bit, but for now, just wanted to give you an idea of what they look like. So let's go back to week 1. Why not get started? Good luck and see you soon.